Nils Forssman, President of Truck Covers USA. Proud to be at Earl Owen today to show off our American roll cover. So let's start. This is our American roll cover. It's in the new matte finish, premium high quality retractable tonneau cover. Two ways to get into the top. Either you can use the key on top, or we have a really cool feature on our product, little keyless entry cable here. Or you just pull it off tension, pull that in, and you're into the bed. Now you'll notice the cover retracts back into a really small box up front, which takes up the minimum amount of space in the bed, which is a key feature, so customers can still load a lot of equipment under our canister. The lid on top of the box there is also a double-walled aluminum. You can stand on top of that, can take a lot of weight so that it's really tough and durable. When you pull the cover back, it locks every 12 inches, and then you can pull it back. Once you've got it to that position, you can just close the tailgate, pull the cover, and it's locked. Once it's in the lock position, you don't have to use a key. It automatically locks for you, which is really a cool feature of this product, that it locks every 12 inches and it locks when it closes. Heavy duty strength and low profile is the key features on our product. You'll notice the lid is low profile, but still strong enough that you can sit on it, stand on it. You can see the product here. Let's show you. You can stand on top, showing the strength and the durability of this product. We just want to thank Earl Owen for the opportunity to be here today and to show off our American roll cover. Thank you, guys.